Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we want to explain about connectors of contrast. But first, let me and my friend introduce ourselves. My name is Khairunisa Darmawan.
My name is Najwa Yusabarini. For definition, connectors of contrast are words or phrases that are used to show a difference or opposition between two ideas.
Common connectors of contrast include atau yang secara umum biasa digunakan. Pertama, however atau namun. It is used to indicate a contrast or contradiction. Example, that man has much money, however he isn't happy at all. Artinya, pria itu punya banyak uang, namun dia tidak sama sekali senang. Kedua, on the other hand, atau di sisi lain. It is used to say something that is different from the first thing mentioned. Example, we had no money, but on the other hand, we were very happy. Artinya, kami tidak punya uang, tetapi di sisi lain, kami sangat bahagia. Ketiga, even so, atau meski begitu. It is used to indicate something that is unusual or extreme. Example, this dive may be dangerous for us. Even so, we have to do it. Penyelaman ini mungkin berbahaya bagi kami. Meski begitu, kami harus melakukannya. Keempat, do atau meskipun. It is used to show that two ideas are opposing one another. Example, though the meal was spicy, it was really delicious. Artinya, meskipun makanannya pedas, namun rasanya sangat lezat. Kelima, ada at the same time atau pada waktu yang sama. It is used for two things which happen together. Example, I study architecture at university. At the same time, I work part-time at a firm. Artinya, saya belajar arsitektur di universitas. Pada saat yang sama, saya bekerja paruh waktu di sebuah perusahaan. Keenam, instead atau sebaliknya. It means in place of something or someone else. Example, would you like to go to another place instead of cinema? Artinya, apakah Anda ingin pergi ke tempat lain selain bioskop? Ketujuh, ada conversely atau sebaliknya. It is used to express an idea that is different from or opposite the other idea mentioned before. Example, I thought she would not come to the party. Conversely, she came to the party with her boyfriend. Artinya, saya pikir dia tidak akan datang ke pesta. Sebaliknya, dia datang ke pesta bersama pacarnya. Kedelapan, ada in contrast atau sebaliknya juga. It is used to compare two things or people and to say that the second one is very different from the first one. Ini berbeda dengan conversely. Kalau conversely, dia menyatakan gagasan yang berbeda atau berlawanan. Sedangkan in contrast, untuk membandingkan dua hal atau orang dan untuk mengatakan bahwa yang kedua sangat berbeda dari yang pertama. Example, this child is short and fat. In contrast, her sister is tall and thin. Artinya, anak ini pendek dan gemuk. Sebaliknya, saudara kembar tinggi dan kurus. 9. Ada yet atau namun. It is used to add something that is surprising after the first sentence which are mentioned before. Example, it's a long-term business, yet it's more fun than other jobs. Artinya, ini adalah bisnis jangka panjang, namun lebih menyenangkan dibandingkan pekerjaan lainnya.
Whereas, it is used for comparing two things which have significant differences from each other. Example, chicken meat is white, whereas cow meat is red. Even talk. It is used as a stronger way to say talk or I'll talk. Example, my father will go to the work even though he has two painful operations. Nevertheless, it is used to say something which contrasts with what has just been said. Example, they lost the game. Nevertheless, they continued to play. Notwithstanding, it means despite the team machine. Example, notwithstanding two players getting red card, the team won the game. Alternatively, it is used to propose another possibility. Example, I think we can go for a wave of vacation. Or alternatively, we can go where we went last year. Nonetheless, it is used to link to contradictory thoughts. Example, she did not like teaching, but she became a teacher nonetheless.